How to remove Teams account from computer. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's begin. Click on Windows search icon at bottom left corner of your screen and type in Microsoft Teams. On the page match, you need to locate Microsoft Teams. Now click Open button to access Microsoft Teams. Navigate to profile icon at top right once you are logged in. Now you need to select. Then from the menu, you simply need to click the sign out button at the top right and sign out to your Microsoft Teams account. And after that, you simply need to open the settings application on your device and then click on the search icon at bottom left corner of your screen. Or simply you can access the settings search bar at top left corner of your screen and then type in access work or school. From this list, you can easily get it. Click on it to access work or school section. And here you can easily find your work or school account if you have added one. And if there is, you can simply select the disconnect or remove the account from your PC button. And with that, you will successfully disconnect or remove your Teams account if it is connected on this section. So I hope this guide was helpful to remove Microsoft Teams account from your computer. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.